Hello, and welcome to another episode of Dave Trippin'. So I talked a short few days ago about improving the channel, and I got a bunch of great feedback from people, and one of the things that came out of that was someone who directed me to a stabilizer that is used for smartphones as opposed to getting like a much better camera, although I am interested in the camera stuff, and it brought me across a channel of a guy who uses a phone like my own, the Samsung Galaxy 6 Edge. This is not any paid advertisement, obviously, for this stuff. And I'm going to put this guy's link in the bio or in the info or whatever, because this is one of these guys where he makes videos better than people with millions, and he's got like 300 subscribers. The guy in himself, just for his own creative efforts and editing, deserves the attention. But what blew me away is what this guy is accomplishing with a stabilizer for a smartphone. So of all the options that I went through, looking at like the Canon DSLR, the E70D, looking at the G7X Mark II that's being released, I'm also interested in that, but maybe down the road, I decided to go with a stabilizer for my smartphone and check out this guy's videos afterwards, one particularly that I'll link down below, and you will be blown away with what people are able to achieve with the stabilizer unit for a smartphone. And I thought as well I would show the channel, because this is for you guys as well. These are the improvements that are coming to the channel and the sort of changes. I wanted to show you the new equipment that I've gotten. So there's like the Kumba Cam, there's a couple others, and then there's a company called Feiyutech. And I went out and I've grabbed the new Feiyutech, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you today so you can check it out. So here it is. I grabbed the G4Plus Feiyutech 3-axis gimbal for your smartphone. So it's not terribly complex. Open this bad boy up. Doesn't have a ton of components, but the results that you're going to get from this are absolutely amazing. And I love that I've got kind of the case study example of the guy that I'm going to link in the comments, and I hope that you guys go over there and you subscribe to him. So I'm going to awkwardly pull out. You've got a set of batteries, 2 different sets. They're rechargeable, so you would only need to replace them once you use them for quite a while, and you can probably just order them off of Amazon. So you've got those 2, and it didn't feel that it was worth it buying it in the store. You have the, not even sure how you would call this, just like the handle, I suppose. I will awkwardly take this out. So the handle attaches. It has an easy on and off button that you're going to activate the gimbal with, and then you have the gimbal itself. So here's the G4 Plus. You're going to fit your smartphone into the gimbal here, and when it's activated, these motorized gimbals, it has 3 settings depending on the sort of balance that you want to have, but will then make any sort of shots that you're taking look as though it's on a floating Steadicam or done with equipment that is far, far more expensive than this, which is going to have a dramatic result on improving the video. When you check out this other guy, like I hope you do, you will not believe the smoothness, the clarity of his shots. You have to think that another benefit to this is going to be not only that your shots are smooth, but you're aiding the focus for your camera, because this is going to remove a lot of the jiggle and shake from what it is that you're doing. So you got that, the actual gimbal itself. And here I'm going to assume that we have, like you would expect, some weights. We got the USB charging cable. Not a ton of complex stuff here that you would expect. Got the USB, the other couple of components that you're going to get for it. This is to charge your batteries up again. And because I like to do a little bit more, I grabbed this guy on points from the store that I bought from, that is kind of like a semi-extension for it, basically. So you don't have to just go handheld in front of you. You're going to get a little bit more of a dynamic range of activities that you're going to be able to do because you have this extender right here. And I've looked up and researched a bit that this doesn't have to be the end of what's available to you. If you want, you can go and grab another extension to this right here and make it even that much longer again. So this is really what's causing the magic to happen here. Not so many other components in the box, but this will give your videos that cinematic, smooth clarity that's going to make them look a cut above the rest, as I've seen definitely shown in these other videos that I've been checking out. And I like as well going with this approach, because I like stretching whatever technology you have available to you as far as you can go before you then move to the next level. By doing so, yeah, you're not at the most cutting edge. Sure, I don't have the cutting edge DSLR, but when you do move up, you're going to appreciate every step that you take and maybe even get a little more creative along the way because you've used something that isn't just at the top market. You've learned to work with something that's price performance, and I believe that that's what this is. Still an expensive piece of equipment, ranging in cost, whether you have to have it shipped to you between $400 US, more expensive in some cases, but if you go with the new, what was it, G7 Mark II, you're looking at about $750. So this is going to take my phone and what it's capable of to the next level, and we shall see what I can come up with this new level of video recording that I can do. So, that's it. Thanks for checking out the unboxing. You will, maybe not in my next video because I got this now so I can't yet use it. I'm going to have to practice using it a little bit, but in the videos I'm going to make in the future where it's not been question and answer, I've been doing kind of documentary-esque. I'd like to do a variety of videos on the channel, some maybe a little more artistic, where it's telling a story with the cool shots that I'm taking, maybe only with a sound backing, not going back and forth. I want to make better videos, I want to make a variety of videos, and this right here is going to unlock that next step of the process. So, if you have any questions about the gear I'm using, or the editing that I use, or thumbnails that I create for the channel, you can always ask me that. But of course, I'm probably more traditionally here for you for questions about living in Japan and stuff like that. But I wanted to show the community that I am actively interested in evolving the channel in more ways than simple information that I'm putting across to people. I want to improve my editing, I want to improve my recording, I want to improve all forms of presentation. So I get more out of the creative process, and so do you, because everything is improving here. If you enjoy videos like this, maybe hit that like button. If you want to catch more videos in Japan or more videos about the improvement of my gear, maybe subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to, check out my gaming channel. We're live now playing Heavy Rain. That's up. We're at about part 4. I've been kind of busy, not playing anymore, but that'll be up going as well. Thanks so much for checking out the video as usual, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Ciao for now. Peace.